The window is busted in. They're not even sending police out.
Do you have anything with your picture ID?
Nope. No.
I'm sorry?
Why are you reaching your hand in my vehicle?
I need something with your picture on it.
Take it up with your legislator, buddy.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. On August 20th of 2022, Josh from Accountability for All and Banana Anna were vacationing in California. During their trip, they became another statistic to San Francisco's smash and grab epidemic while parked in front of a police station.
The window is busted in. Stolen from the vehicle is her purse containing her debit cards, her food stuff, all that. The back is completely emptied out. My backpack.
Though they were right out front of the police station, no officers would respond, as solving actual crimes costs the police department money. Traffic citations and unconstitutional DUI checkpoints, on the other hand, generate a substantial income for these agencies.
We called to file a report. As you can see, there's cameras across the streets, and they're not even sending police out.
The department never investigated the incident at all. Anna promptly went to the DMV and was issued a temporary driver's license while she awaited a replacement to be mailed to her. In California, an interim license is issued with a rapid expiration date, the subject's name, address, date of birth, and other information. But for this video, it's important to note that they are supplied without a picture affixed to it. About a week following the theft, Josh and Anna found themselves driving into a DUI checkpoint in Pittsburg, California.
Say nothing to him. Crack your window down. You crack your window down the tiniest bit so you can pass your license to him.
I don't have my license.
Oh, you have this thing?
Mm-hmm.
As they approach the checkpoint, Anna rolls down the window about 2 inches to ensure adequate communication can be made.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Hi, you're in a DUI and safety checkpoint. Do you have your driver's license, ma'am?
I have, that's my registration.
Don't say anything, just passing that.
Do you have anything with your picture ID?
Nope.
You don't have any picture ID at all?
This is to use for that. No.
I'm sorry?
Why are you reaching your hand in my vehicle?
You're at a checkpoint, ma'am.
I'm showing you the paperwork.
Okay, ma'am. I need something with your picture on it.
Then you should take it up with the state of California and ask them why they don't give out pictures when they give out replacement IDs. Take it up with your legislator, buddy.
Do not reach your hand in my car. I did not give you consent to do that.
I needed to see the ID.
You can see it.
This is good enough.
David Adam Yellow.
Based on the California Vehicle Code, a licensee shall have the valid driver's license issued to them in their immediate possession at all times when driving a motor vehicle upon a highway. Subsection B states that, quote, "The driver of a motor vehicle shall present his or her license for examination upon demand of a peace officer enforcing the provisions of this code. Nowhere in the code does it require a licensee to relinquish control of the physical license, which makes the presentation through the glass window lawful." As the officer runs her info, a fourth officer approaches the passenger side, filming from his personal cell phone.
Hey, what's up, dickhead? I'm gonna get that now. What's your name?
Thunderman.
Thunderman, perfect. Guess what that's gonna be?
What's that?
Mine.
What are you talking about?
I'm gonna get your cell phone footage.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
It's on a department phone.
Guess what? I just got someone else's footage from Pittsburgh.
Great.
I already got one.
Great. Do you
have
Back
issues
away.
with the checkpoint?
Awesome.
Bye.
I'm
Bye,
providing you
dickhead.
my ID.
Just days prior, Josh had obtained footage from another officer's private cell phone that was recorded on duty in the same department. At any time an officer uses a personal device to create a record while operating in their official capacity as a public servant, that record becomes public domain. However, upon submitting a records request for Officer Thunderman's video, the records office alleged that it was mistakenly deleted.
I'm sorry?
I already got one.
Do you have an issue with the checkpoint?
Bye.
I'm providing you my ID.
You're providing me with a piece of paper. I just needed something with.
This is my
That's
identification.
it. Listen, that's what the state gives you if you get a new license, right? If you don't like that, take it up with the state. That's the license replacement that you guys give at the DMV.
They just said it was valid. I just heard them say it was
All right,
valid.
bye. Bye.
Hey, let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Why do you suck so much?
I don't know.
How long you been a
Probably all my life.
long time bitch all your life? Cool, man. It's all right. He's been a bitch all his life.
tyrants, man.
Just a few days ago, I made a video in which I claimed that despite the Supreme Court's opinion on the constitutionality of inland border patrol and DUI checkpoints, the checkpoints are obvious intrusions on individual liberties. I was amazed at how many people in the comments felt as though you were not allowed to disagree with the opinions of the Supreme Court, especially when most cases the court sees are decided on a split. Even the case concerning checkpoints had 3 dissenting justices that wrote a beautiful dissenting opinion. It is okay to disagree with the Supreme Court. They are not gods. They aren't even elected. They are but 9 humans with life terms making decisions that affect nearly 350 million people. You should find some areas in which you disagree. You don't have to accept the rules just because they exist. Without challenge, they would never change. A big thanks to Josh and Anna for allowing me to present this video. Their channel links will be posted in the description and pinned comment. Be sure to head over to their channels and let them know I sent you.
Owned. They wanted no more questions asked, no more questions answered. That was what that looks like. The guy's coming up doing comebacks, wants to be all famous. You see him shaking?
Tried to tell me that the DMV issued me my temporary driver's license and it wasn't good enough.
That's how you deal with a checkpoint. Normally, if you have your correct license, you don't have a paper copy, you just stick it to the window. I always suggest that you have your stuff, your registration and your license in a Ziploc bag. You place the Ziploc bag out the window like this. You open your window about that much. You put the Ziploc bag right here, you close it, so that way he can take out the contents, look at what he needs to do, give it back to you, keep it pushing. And that's how you own cops in Pittsburgh.
Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content. And check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.